Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program DTCS 3rd Trimester, Session, Method Properties and Use of Bakelite and Nylon. Now we discuss Bakelite polymer. Bakelite polymer is the first synthetic polymer, is a phenol formaldehyde polymer, was the first completely synthetic plastics, first made by the Leo Baekeland. The preparation of bakelite. Preparation of bakelite, phenol formaldehyde polymers are the oldest synthetic polymer. These are obtained by the condensation reaction of phenol with formaldehyde in the presence of acid-base catalyst. In this reaction, start with the initial formation of ortho-para hydroxymethylphenol derivative, which further react with phenol to form compound having ring joined to each other through CH2 groups. The initial product could be a linear product. For example, phenol react with formaldehyde in the presence of acid-base catalyst, convert to phenol formaldehyde resin. Phenol formaldehyde resin further react with phenol, convert to bakelite, a cross-linked solid. Clear? Next, properties of bakelite. Properties of bakelite: phenolic resins set to rigid, hard, scratch resistant, influxible, water resistance, insoluble solid, which are the resistant, a non-oxidizing acid, salt and many organic solvent, but are attacked by alkalines because of the presence of free hydroxyl group in their structure. They excellent electrically insulating characters. The use of the polymers. Polymers are generally used in plastics items like telephone, parts, and photography recorder, electrical issues, and a staff and a use of the paper industry, and soft bakelite use the binding and a use of laminated wooden plants. Clear? The bakelites are generally used of the plastics polymers and plastics item. Next are nylon polymer. Nylon is a polyamide polymer. Nylon is used the generally name of all synthetic fiber forming polyamide. It have a protein-like structure. These are the condensation polymers of diamines and dibasic acid. A number of usually suffixed with the nylon, which refers to the numbers of carbon atom present in the diamines and dibasic acid respectively. First are nylon 66. Nylon 66 is are obtained by the polymerization of adipic acid with hexamethylene diamine. Adipic acid react with hexamethylene diamine in the presence of acid-base catalyst, convert to nylon 66. Nylon 66, adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine joined to amino group. Next are nylon 6. It is produced by self-condensation of caprolactam. Cyclohexanone react with NH2OH, convert to Bachmann rearrangement, hexaoxime, convert to cyclohexaoxime, react with H2SO4, convert to caprolactam. These examples are given below. Nylon 6. Properties of nylons. There are the translucent white Henry height melting polymers. The process high temperature, stability and high absorbance resistance. They are the insoluble in common organic solvents like methylated spirit, benzenes and acetones, and soluble in phenol and formic acid. Characteristics of nylon. Characteristic of nylon, they are the light and high melting point. They are insoluble in common solvent. They are the good strength. They absorb little moisture and thus drip dry in nature. They are the very flexible and the original shape after use. They are the resistance is absorption on bleeding with wool. The strength and absorption resistance of the latter increases. Clear? तो एक नाइलॉन एंड बेकेलाइट्स पॉलीमर